Good morning, students. How are you? Hope all of you are fine. Before vacations, we are discussing our second chapter of history from trade to territory. In this chapter, we will discuss that how East India Company that enters into India for trading became a ruler of our country. In the last video, we have discussed East India Company comes east. Then we have discussed East India Company begins trade in Bengal. And we have discussed how this trade led to battles. Today, we will discuss the Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey. In 1756, Sirajuddaulah became Nawab of Bengal after the death of his grandfather Alverdi Khan. He at once ordered Britishers to pay revenue and stop fortifications. Also, with the help of his 30,000 soldiers, he captured the officials of the English factory at Kasim Bazar and also established his control over Calcutta fort. All these incidents resulted into Battle of Plassey, in which Robert Clive, an army officer in East India Company, defeated Sirajuddaulah. The main reason behind his defeat was that army led by Commander Mir Zafar never took part in the battle because Zafar was promised to be the next Nawab of Bengal by Robert Clive. What happened after the Battle of Plassey? Mir Jafar became Nawab of Bengal. The company was granted undisputed right to free trade in Bengal. But after some time, when Nawab refused further rights, he was dethroned by the Britishers, and now the next Nawab was Mir Qasim. After some time, he also started complaining of the misuse of the pass given to the company. This led to the Battle of Buxar, which is held in 1764. Once again, Mir Zafar came to the throne as a Nawab of Bengal. This time he was asked to pay rupees 5 lakhs per month to the company, but this was insufficient as it wanted more money to finance its war. When Mir Zafar died in 1765, the company decided of becoming Nawab itself. So in year 1765, the Mughal emperor declared company as a Diwan of Bengal province. The revenue it received through Diwani was of a great help as they could now be used for buying cotton and silk and also building forts. This income was also important because after the Battle of Plassey, the income inflow from Britain has slowed down. Do you know Battle of Plassey was the most decisive war that marked the initiation of the British rule in India for the next 2 centuries. Battle of Plassey or Plassey took place between British East India Company and the Nawabs of Bengal and his French allies. The battle covered on June 23, 1757 at Plassey of Murshidabad district on the bank of Bhagirathi River, Murshidabad, Sirajuddaulah. The army commander Mir Zafar of Sirajuddaullah's side betrayed in the Battle of Plassey, and thereby the whole force of Nawab collapsed, and as a consequence, the entire province of Bengal came under British. The Battle of Plassey also named as Battle of Plassey. Thank you. Next part we will discuss in our next video.